Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lemon loaf. So first preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Start off by creaming your butter with your sugar so that it becomes nice and smooth. Add your eggs one by one, making sure that you mix in between so that the egg becomes fully incorporated. Mix in your flour, followed by a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. And add in your lemon zest. I have used 2.5 lemons, but I'd recommend using 2 just on average, and if you like things really lemony then you can add 3. Mix the batter well and add to a lined baking tray and bake on 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Rest on a wire rack for 20 minutes before removing from the tin. The cake is cooling. Mix 150 grams of icing sugar with a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice to create a drizzle. This is optional. Add the drizzle when the cake is completely cooled. Once the cake has completely cooled and the icing is hardened, you can slice, and this is the final product. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!